Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
How often you saw your car's headlights dirty and you thought it is too hard or would take up too much time to clean them? Today I want to show you a very quick and cheap way to clean them. Pollution, car wash chemicals, even ultraviolet light from the sun can take its toll on headlights, making them yellowed and clouded. Many people don't realize the safety hazard created by poorly maintained headlights. In fact, keeping your headlights clean is as important as keeping your windshield clean. You don't need fancy products, just two ingredients. Chances are you already have these ingredients in your home: lemon and baking soda. The cleanliness of the headlights is more important than you might realize. When headlights are dirty, they are not able to provide the amount of light needed for you to see the road and for other drivers to see you. People are killed every night in car accidents, and visibility is a huge factor. You probably never think about the cleanliness or deteriorations of your headlights, but they are an aspect of your car that you should be checking as frequently as you check your oil. When you have dirty headlight lenses, you put yourself and others in danger. The easiest way to clean them is to cut a lemon in half, dip the half into the baking soda, then clean. Here I am showing you how to do it. Go mostly in circular mode. Lemon is a natural cleaner. It is acidic, and this is the key to its effectiveness as cleaning agent. Lemon can remove stains, limescale, and rust. The acidity of the lemon juice reacts with the limescale, calcium carbonate, or the rust, iron oxide, to soften and dissolve the deposits. Baking soda acts as a cleaning agent because it is a mild alkali and can cause dirt and grease to dissolve easily for effective removal. Baking soda is abrasive but does not scratch. Here you can see how clean this headlight is now. So satisfying. The more you care for your headlights, the longer they last. The cost of car repairs is becoming exorbitant. It could cost so much to replace just one headlight. Thankfully, if you perform regular maintenance on your car, the lights will last longer and work better. This will save you time and money while also keeping you and others safe. Another reason to keep your headlights clean is to have a great looking vehicle. Who wants a dirty looking car? No one. If you get a regular car wash, you should also frequently clean your headlights. A car wash can't always get the details of the headlights clean. Doing the job yourself is easy and cheap, and you'll have your vehicle looking fantastic. Don't let your headlights get dirty when you keep the rest of your car clean. This is the final result. Sparkling clean. No more dirt, no more foggy headlights. Just like new. I am so pleased of the result of this job that took only a few minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!